NBA news: Warriors and Curry lost key contributor to injury against Grizzlies. The Golden State Warriors and Stephen Curry suffered a setback as they lost one of their most impactful players during their game against the Memphis Grizzlies due to injury. NBA news: Steve Kerr makes something clear on trade rumors linking Jimmy Butler to the Warriors. Warriors star Stephen Curry reveals the dream teammate he would have loved to play with. January 4, 2025 11:52 PM EDTIMAGO, Zoomer press wire. Stephen Curry, 30 of the Golden State Warriors, reacts to plays from the sidelines during their regular season NBA matchup against the Los Angeles Clippers. By Emilio Abad, the Golden State Warriors defeated the Memphis Grizzlies 121-113 on Saturday, even without superstar Stephen Curry. While the team leaned on its other starters, rising star Jonathan Kuminga exited the game after sustaining an injury. According to Anthony Slater of The Athletic, Kuminga landed awkwardly while attempting to block a shot and was seen limping off the court toward the locker room. He did not return to the game. Early reports suggest Kuminga is unlikely to play in the Warriors' next matchup against the Sacramento Kings. However, the team remains hopeful the injury isn't severe. Kuminga has been enjoying a breakout season, demonstrating significant growth in his game. Under the mentorship of head coach Steve Kerr and teammate Stephen Curry, the young forward has been finding his rhythm and carving out a defined role within the Warriors system. Kerr's strategic use of Kuminga, alternating between a starter and a sixth man, has maximized his impact. As a starter, Kuminga brings defensive energy and versatility, often guarding the opponent's best wing player. Off the bench, he provides a scoring spark and exploits mismatches, cementing his status as one of the league's most effective reserve players. This dual-role flexibility has been instrumental in maintaining the Warriors' balance, particularly when key players like Andrew Wiggins and Draymond Green are sidelined. Jonathan Kuminga #0-0 of the Golden State Warriors drives against the Houston Rockets during the second half of a quarterfinal game in the NBA Emirates Cup. In the last 10 games, Kuminga has averaged an impressive 20.8 points, 6.6 rebounds, and 3 assists. His consistent contributions are making a strong case for him as one of the NBA's elite sixth men this season, navigating trade rumors and contract uncertainty. Amidst persistent trade rumors involving players like Jimmy Butler, Kuminga has responded with maturity and elevated performances. Despite the speculation, he has remained focused, proving his value to the Warriors. Contract talks earlier in the season reportedly fell through, with the Warriors offering around $30 million annually, a deal Kuminga declined. Even without a long-term extension in place, his impact has been undeniable, playing a crucial role in Golden State's success this season. The impact of Kuminga's injury. Kuminga's injury comes at a challenging time for the Warriors, as the team faces a stretch of back-to-back games that could significantly impact their playoff positioning. Losing Kuminga not only disrupts the rotation but also places additional pressure on role players like Moses Moody and rookie Tracy Jackson-Davis, who will need to step up in his absence. If Kuminga is sidelined for an extended period, the Warriors' ability to maintain their competitive edge in the Western Conference could be compromised. His absence would also make it harder to match up against versatile forwards in potential playoff series, further emphasizing the importance of his timely recovery. The Warriors are navigating a tightly contested Western Conference, where every game matters. Kuminga's breakout season has been a bright spot, and his injury underscores the fragility of their playoff push. Golden State will need to adapt quickly, relying on its depth and Kerr's coaching acumen to stay in co.